Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Facebook account using your Gmail email address. This is perfect for anyone who wants to start fresh on Facebook or simply prefers using Gmail for account management. We'll go step by step, so even if you're new to Facebook, you'll find this guide easy to follow. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to www.facebook.com. You'll see the main Facebook page with the sign-up form right on the home page. Now start by entering your first and last name in the name fields. Make sure you enter them correctly because this is how your friends will recognize you. Next, in the email field, type in your Gmail address that you want to link to your Facebook account. Using Gmail is a great way to ensure your account is secure and easy to recover if needed. After entering your email, create a strong password. Make sure it's something you can remember but hard for others to guess. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols works best for security. Next, fill in your date of birth and gender. Facebook uses this information to provide age-appropriate content and help you connect with friends. Once all these fields are complete, double-check everything to make sure there are no typos, especially your Gmail address, because all account verification messages will be sent there. Once you're confident everything is correct, click the Sign Up button. Facebook will now send a confirmation code to your Gmail account. Open Gmail, locate the email from Facebook, and enter the code back on Facebook to verify your account. This step is crucial to ensure that your email is valid and that you have full control of your new account. After confirming your email, you can set up your profile picture, add friends, and customize your profile. Take your time to fill in your details, add a profile photo, and explore privacy settings so you can control who sees your posts and information. And that's it. You now have a brand new Facebook account linked to your Gmail address, ready to connect with friends, join groups, and start sharing your life online. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides that make your online life easier.